Sometimes we can't go outside because our yard has just been sprayed with pesticides. So instead, we can go outside using our imaginations. These are some books that I got for Christmas. This is one of my favorite books, Watership Down. You may have seen the animated movie that traumatized a lot of children in the 80s. The book is much, much better, as it usually is, and this is Shardik, which I've only just started reading. I think you've noticed there's a Richard Adams theme here. And look, Richard Adams has a nature diary. Look, it's the 20th of January. That's today. At East Lurkey-Doo Farms, about half a mile away, a rivulet runs down the field and then turns at right angles along the ditch beside the lane. Here it makes a little plashing fall into a tiny pool with a heavy square brick gatepost above. In the bank, just above the water, are 3 beautiful, luxuriant hart's tongue ferns. This is the fern with undivided fronds and brown scales along the stalks. If I were Beatrix Potter, I'd paint an immortal watercolor of someone like Mrs. Tiggy Winkle fetching water from that little pool below those ferns, their glossy, crinkled fronds overhanging the surface.